The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee and its longer sibling, the Grand Cherokee L, are more than just family SUVs, they're part of a legacy that blends off-road DNA with upscale comfort. This year, both models get refined styling, new tech, and enhanced features, but the real question is, which one should you choose? Let's find out, right here on Engine Bay Review. At first glance, both the Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee L look nearly identical, and that's by design. Up front, both wear Jeep's signature 7-slot grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted hoods. But shift to the side, and the difference becomes obvious. The Grand Cherokee is a two-row SUV, measuring around 193.5 inches in length, while the Grand Cherokee L stretches to over 204 inches, adding a third row and more cargo space. Both models come with up to 21-inch wheels, gloss black or chrome trim, and optional blackout packages. The design strikes a great balance between rugged and refined. Step inside, and the interior of both models is top-tier Jeep. You'll find a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, 10.1-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5, and available front passenger screen. Yes, the front passenger gets their own display. Materials feel premium, especially on Overland and Summit trims, with real wood trim, quilted leather, and ambient lighting. The big difference? Seating and space. The standard Grand Cherokee offers seating for 5 and up to 70.8 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. The Grand Cherokee L adds a third row, giving you seating for up to 7 passengers, and over 84 cubic feet of cargo when all rows are down. Second row legroom is solid in both, but the L wins if you have teens or adults riding in the back regularly. Under the hood, both models offer the same engine options. A 3.6L Pentastar V6 with 293 horsepower. And on higher trims, the legendary 5.7L Hemi V8 putting out 357 horsepower, perfect for towing up to 7,200 pounds. While the V8 is being phased out industry-wide, Jeep still gives you that choice, at least for now. Both SUVs offer Quadra-Track 4x4 systems, select-terrain drive modes, and optional air suspension that can raise ground clearance up to 10.9 inches, making them truly trail-ready, especially in Trailhawk form. Whether you're heading into the mountains or towing a boat to the lake, both Grand Cherokees deliver comfort and confidence. Go for the Grand Cherokee L if your life demands more seats, more space, and more flexibility, without sacrificing luxury or performance. Either way, you're getting one of the most well-rounded mid-size SUVs on the market today, with Jeep's unique mix of adventure and upscale comfort. Let us know in the comments, Grand Cherokee or Grand Cherokee L, which would you take home? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dive reviews, only on Engine Bay Review.